sa presentation ng ratings daw, performance rating ni Sara. Trust and performance rating, kung saan sa latest na survey ng SWS, mataas yung ratings ni Sara kaysa sa ating Pangulo. Sabi dito sa balita, NBI Director Melvin Matibag rejected the assertion that a government official's popularity should shield him. Survey ng SWS.
So, this is from the Daily Tribune.
Your Honor, please.
No question yet, Your Honor.
Yes,
Council finish with this question.
Basta yun na yung totoo. Pangalawa, pagka po ating pinagbasihan ng popularidad, ang ibig sabihin po ba nito, ang isang pinakakilala at popular na tao pwede nang gumawa ng krimen?
Nagbabagang mga balita at pagtalakay sa mga isyu na lipunan. Pulsa, opinyon, banat at paglalantad sa katotohanan. Pulsa, what you see is what you get. You decide.
Hello po mga kababayan, si Dante Maravillas. O yung impeachment trial laban kay Sara Duterte, napunta mga kababayan sa presentation ng ratings daw, performance rating ni Sara. Trust and performance rating, kung saan sa latest na survey ng SWS, mataas yung ratings ni Sara kaysa sa ating Pangulo. So ipinesend dito mga kababayan ni Atty. Binloan para ipamuka na si Sara Duterte mas may mataas na trust rating sa ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. Pati performance rating kahit hindi nagtatrabaho. Sinupalpal ngayon po ni NBI Director Melvin Matibag yung prosecution. Sabi ni Atty. Matibag, public officials trust rating not a shield from accountability. Halimbawa pa mga kababayan, paniwalaan natin na mataas yung trust rating. Saka performance ratings ni Sara kahit hindi nagtatrabaho. Although kadoda-doda, nasabi nga ni Atty. Matibag, pwede niya yan i-manipulate. Minamanipulate man talaga para budolin yung ating mga mamamayang Pilipino. Lalo dapat na nag-iingat si mga public officials na may mataas na trust ratings. Na hindi dapat po sinisira yung tiwala ng ating mga mamamayang Pilipino. Tama po? Yes, sinupalpal po ni Director Matibag. Sabi dito sa balita, NBI Director Melvin Matibag rejected the assertion that a government official's popularity should shield him from accountability after the defense cited Vice President Sara Duterte's latest trust rating during her impeachment trial. Irrelevant po yung trust rating ni Sara Duterte. Ba't ipipresent mo yon as part of the defense? Kaya tumayo po pati nag-object si legal counsel Jinky Luistro. Nalaga niya Mr. Maravillas itong mga defense. Pati yung additional defense team ni Sara, yung mga senator judges, puro irrelevant yung mga nire-raise na questions and manifestations para lang mapahaba yung usapan. Anong kinalaman nun sa pagbabanta ni Sara? Yan ang yung surveying yan. Survey results merely provide a snapshot of public sentiment and do not necessarily determine whether an official has betrayed public trust. Matibag further argued that popularity should not be used as basis for determining whether a person should be held accountable for alleged wrongdoing. Pangalawa, kapag po ating pinagbasihan ng popularidad, ang ibig sabihin po ba nito, ang isang pinakakilala at popular na tao pwede nang gumawa ng krimen at hindi natin papanagutin? Correct. Yan ang uri ng maling pananaw na gustong isaksak sa baga natin ng kampo ng mga Duterte na may lisensya sila na magbanta, gumawa ng masama kasi popular sila sa mga tao. May ganon, mga kababayan. Ito yung presentation po. 57% adya. Yung trust rating, public trust rating ni Sara, 34% lang yung ating Pangulo. Based sa result ng survey ng SWS.
So, this is from the Daily Tribune.
Your Honor, please.
No question yet, Your Honor.
Yes.
Counsel finish with this question, and
Alright.
then the lead prosecutor may make her objection.
All right. This is from the Daily Tribune. Okay, and this is the public entitled Public Trust Rating. I'll just focus on the green, not the red. No, but Vice President Sara Duterte, it says they're 57%. And this was conducted by the Social Weather Station's SWS survey. Okay. Now, my question to you is this. You mentioned that you have an ongoing investigation. Do materials like this, insofar as how Filipino people view or trust VP Sara, have an effect in your investigation?
Objection,
Before
Your
the
Honor.
witness answers, lead prosecutor is recognized for her objection. What is the basis of the objection?
Your Honor, the defense is showing a picture of the president and the vice president with a certain rating at the bottom. This has no relevance at all,
Correct.
Your Honor, with respect to the subject matter of this impeachment trial.
I think he
And
has.
we are objecting to the presentation of this picture, Your Honor.
I think it has just a short rejoinder, Your Honor.
Kindly allow the lead prosecutor. Are you done, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor.
Just a short rejoinder, Your Honor.
Attorney Binloan is
The
recognized.
witness mentioned the term betrayal of public trust, and we can run the TSN back. Your Honor, of course, we're allowed. This is cross-examination. We're allowed to present controverting evidence to that statement.
The chair will allow the witness to answer, despite that there is no date when this survey was taken. Kindly answer if you know, Director Matibag.
Gladly, Mr. Presiding Officer.
Sinupalpal ni
Alam mo po,
Matibag.
survey yan. And all of us know, or for the information of the public, a survey is just a snapshot of something. It doesn't necessarily follow na yung survey na yan is kumbaga nakataga na sa bato. Pangalawa po, may mandato po ang NBI. We cannot be swayed by public opinion o kaya po ng aming personal na opinion. Kami po ay nag-iimbestiga, nababatay sa batas,
Correct.
nababatay sa proseso, at nababatay po sa ating itinakdang mandato base po sa pagtatatag ng NBI.
So the short answer to my question is no. It doesn't affect.
No, it will not.
Okay. I mentioned Daily Tribune. You write editorials for the Daily Tribune, correct?
Tama po, a long time ago po.
Long time ago. And in 2024, you wrote at least 3 editorials about VP Sara. Is that, can you recall?
Mari po, mayroon po akong mga sinulat tungkol
Alright.
kay Vice President.
I'm showing you these, no, not that one, the editorials, all right, from the Daily Tribune. And we have copies, hard copies.
Yung Bratinela.
that we refer to. But it says here, Director Melvin Matibag. Do you confirm that it is you who authored these editorials?
Yes.
All right. Now, I'm showing you the first one entitled Inday Sara, the Bratinela, dated September 12, 2024. Do you confirm that you wrote this editorial?
That's correct in my opinion column.
All right. And you also wrote the Bratinela is a flat spare tire, dated October 24, 2024. Do you confirm this?
Yes.
All right. And you also wrote Bratinela Sara and her bad habits, dated November 7, 2024. Do you confirm this?
Yes.
And in these editorials, you shared your opinions against VP Sara. Is that correct?
Well, unang-una po, siguro dun sa title na Bratinela, that is not my original. In fact, kaya ko po nasulat yan, yan ang mismong naririnig ko nang kami magkakasama nila dating Pangulong Duterte na ang tawag niya kay Inday sa Bratinela.
Di ba?
Alright, so my only question is, before you testified today, there were already instances in the past that you shared your public opinions against VP Sara.
Well, that is a opinion column.
Alright.
At meron po tayong mga pinagbabasihan dyan.
Okay. In fact, let me read one line from your editorial. It says there, as Inday Sara is being unmasked in the legislative inquiries and by her own mouth as an ill-bred Bratinela, her public trust crumbles. You confirm that you included this statement in your editorial?
Yan po yung nakasulat.
Alright. And despite this position, and the recent surveys show that VP Sara was even gained positive trust rating as shown earlier, positive 57. Do you confirm this?
Well, again, I'm saying na nung sinulat ko po yan, that is my opinion as an opinion writer.
Alright. Now, despite this positive trust rating by VP Sara, do you still maintain that, and I quote, her public trust crumbles?
Well, para sa akin...
Nililibad man po
wala akong
sa pagbabanta ni Sara?
Hindi po material itong ating
Correct.
pinag-usapan sapagkat, sabi ko nga, ang ating po pag-iimbestiga ay nababase sa batas, nababase sa ebidensya, at prosesong nandoon na nang ako'y dumating po bilang NBI Director.
Correct.
Alright, one last question on this before I let this point go. Considering the positive trust rating of VP Sara, can one really say that she betrayed public trust?
Magkaiba po yan.
Speculative, Your Honor.
Can we get a ruling, Your Honor?
Witness is knowledgeable enough to answer. He can handle himself. Director Matibag, you may answer.
Magkaiba po yan. Again, I'm saying, and I'm sure marami rin po rito nakakaalam na umaasa sa mga survey. A survey is just a snapshot of what's happening. It doesn't necessarily follow na pagka yun ang lumabas, ay yun na yung totoo. Pangalawa, pagka po ating pinagbasihan ng popularidad, ang ibig sabihin po ba nito, ang isang pinakakilala at popular na tao pwede nang gumawa ng krimen at
Correct.
hindi natin papapanagutin?
Correct. Anong sagot?
At this point, Your Honor, the defense is constrained to ask for a continuance, and we have our grounds, therefore. Number one, Your Honor, the testimony of Director Matibag earlier consisted of a lot of new topics, and it is we believe that it is the right of the respondent to intelligently cross-examine him on those topics. Again, Your Honor, those topics are not included in the articles of impeachment and are considered new. In fact, Your Honor, as earlier stated, we feel that these two topics are a violation of the respondent's right to be promptly and fully apprised of the exact charges against her. So we will need time, Your Honor, to go through those new materials and new points. Secondly, Your Honor, during direct examination, a document, a 100-page document, was introduced and allowed by this court, and that document is unsigned and unnotarized. And we feel like for us to intelligently cross-examine the witness on this document that he mentioned, we need that there's a need. We feel that there's a need for a continuance, right?
What does the lead prosecutor say?
With all due respect, Your Honor, we object to the motion for continuance of the defense. The defense already started and propounded a lot of cross-examination questions to the witness, and the witness is simply answering completely, accurately, the questions which are being raised and propounded to him.
Kahit wala man relation, irrelevant.
For continuance after already raising a lot of questions to the witness, Your Honor. We would like, Your Honor, the defense to finish the cross-examination today, and if the impeachment court will still allow, we will immediately
Delaying
proceed to redirect
tactics
after
po.
the cross-examination, Your Honor. With all due respect to our honorable senator judges.
The objection of the lead prosecutor is noted. However, this is the first time that any counsel for the parties is asking for a continuance. The chair is inclined to grant it and will so grant it as well, should the counsel for the prosecutors or the lead prosecutor or panel of prosecutors require it at some point in time in this trial or hearing. But let it not be the rule, or let it not be a habit on the part of either counsel for the parties to do so, to ask for a continuance. But at this time, the chair will grant the continuance requested by the defense. In the meantime, since it's only 5:55, with the indulgence of our senator judges, we may proceed to the interjections and interventions of the senator judges.
One last point, Your Honor, before the
Before recognizing the senator judges, yes, what is the pleasure of Attorney Vilon?
Your Honor, considering that the witness introduced, as I said, a lengthy document, can we ask for a copy of the Las Cañas material that he provided?
The chair already earlier ordered that, I believe. During the interregnum, the prosecutors are directed to kindly furnish the council correspondence with a copy of the, I believe, over an inch or little less than 2 inches of affidavit of Mr. Las Cañas. So ordered.
Puro lang kauragi. Walang kakwenta-kwenta. Yung mga cross-examination and presentation, irrelevant data, irrelevant topics, pati yung ratings ni Sara, ginamit na materials para i-justify yung pagbabanta. Wala mang kinalaman yun sa pagbabanta ni Sara. The more na dapat nag-iingat siya kasi masisira yung tiwala sa kanyang binigay ng mga tao. Di ba? Pag popular ka dapat, nag-iingat ka. Hindi ko mo popular ka, pwede ka na magbanta. Tama yun sinabi ni Director Matibag. Hindi yon lisensya mga kababayan. Hindi ko mo popular ka, pwede ka nang gumawa ng krimen. May ganon. So hindi yun sinagot ni Atty. Binluan. Iniwasan na lang niya kasi basag na basag siya mga kababayan sa sagot ni Atty. Matibag. Tama po. Kaya si Sara na naghamon ng bloodbath ayon, lumipad na papuntang ibang bansa. 15 days na magbabakasyon na naman. Wala talaga. Walang bloodbath. Puro lang salita. Puro dalda. Tama po, mga kababayan.
Scamming and lifting cream, pinapahid po sa mga pulses in affected area. Mainam po sa paninigas ng mga kaso-kasuan. Ito naman po, Automax Radiant Serum. Sa mukha naman yung application. Anti-aging po siya. You will look 10 years younger than your age. Sa mga cancer patients naman po, baka lang gusto ninyo itong itry. Naing siya red mixed fruit drink. Hindi mo po siya gamot, food supplement siya. Kaya lang, gawa siya mga kababayan sa goji berry. Yung goji berry, may anti-cancer properties. O ngayon, yung mga inquiries ninyo, dumiritso na lang kayo sa aming messenger sa Facebook para masagot namin agad. Ayos pa? Ayos na ayos niya, Mr. Maravilla. Sa mga naghanap po ng malinis and spacious fitness gym, pumunta lang po kayo sa aming Colossal Fitness Gym. May Grab car rental din po kami. But anyway, ito po pala yung aming bagong product na binibenta online. I am worldwide amazing pure organic barley powdered drink mix from Australia. Negosyo to ng aking anak na architect entrepreneur Riz Maravillas. Ayan po. Kontakin na lang po ninyo siya, Riz Maravillas on Facebook. Ang mga health benefits niya, boost immunity, improves digestion, enhance energy levels, packed with antioxidants, prevent cancer. Ito naman po yung bago naming product na binibenta online. Eye Glow Serum, whitening po siya. Tingnan ninyo yung epekto sa aking anak na architect before and now. Yung mga inquiries po ninyo, dumiretso na lang kayo sa kanyang Facebook account, Riz Maravillas.